What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box, man. $765 box, $725 for the box, $40 for the shipping. Before we jump in this box, just want to say RIP to Kobe, man. That was tragic, bro. I seen that on my phone, on Twitter, and I just instantly start scrolling to see if that was fake news or whatever. But man, life is short. Enjoy your people, enjoy life. Man, you just never know. 41 years old, only a couple years retired. That just was mind-blowing, man. So it's been a rough week for a lot of people, man, and it's totally understandable. But we're gonna try to push past it. $765 box, $725 for the box, $40 for the shipping. From Soul Supremacy. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box. Don't know what's in it. They are all made to resell for profit. Some are better than others. No idea what's in here. Hopefully we got something good today. $765. Seems like all the boxes I've been getting this year so far are in the $700 range. I got a few this week, so I had to write the price on the box so I can know which one this is. Oh, I'm tripping. I know what I want to do. We got another little package here. It just came in. I can't zoom in on that. Got both our addresses on it. But man, special little package from the homie. I'm so happy for this dude, man. Show y'all the shirt. Once y'all see the shirt, y'all know who it is, man. Let me show y'all this. Boom. Check him out. Got his YouTube and all that stuff, information on the back. My boy Mitch, man. I've been rocking with Mitch for a couple of years now through YouTube or whatever. Real solid dude. Real solid. Check out the tee. So I seen somebody post this. A dude been selling tees, man. That's dope, man. When you start getting your own merch, you know you doing some things, man. Shout out again to SB Mitch. Keep doing your thing, man. I appreciate you. And this is a good shirt, man. Pretty good quality. Y'all wanna know something about me, man? I love t-shirts. I don't know what it is. I think it's cause I had to like sell all my whole closet when I lost 100 pounds. And so being able to go to the store and actually shop and buy what I like and buy what I want, and not just because there's a 3XL available, is just different, man. So, all right, we're gonna jump in this box now, man. Thanks again, Mitch, for the tea. This video gonna be long, man. My bad for all the talking, y'all. Ooh, got that good old California cologne smell in there, if you know what I'm talking about. First off, we got some we got 3 pair without boxes. This is the first pair without a box. Size 8. They have some kind of stain right here. I'll put in the video if I'm able to get that out. Cool grades. This is the newer release, no box. These are dope. I can't believe people were begging for the shoe to come back for years. As soon as they came back, they did not sell out fast. But this is a dope shoe, man. Check them out. Still have all the stars on the bottom. No, not all of them, but they still got a lot of the stars. Let me back up. I think I'd be too close on this camera for y'all. Check those out. No box, size 8. Gonna knock out all these loose shoes first. Georgetown 11s in a size 14. Georgetown 11s in a 14. It's a couple big footers out there that watch the vids. Boom, check out the bottom. Still pretty icy. These are dope. No box, good shape though. Size 14 is not a common size that I get in these boxes. So. We got some Air Max 95s. Air Max 95, size 11.5. This is a 2018 release, 2019. This is a later release. So it still got some life left in them. Check those out. Like an olive, like a hunter colorway or something. I don't know. Never seen them before. Size 11.5. Had to do my research, see what they were. Trying to get y'all a full turnaround spin on those. All right. Rest of these got boxes. We got a size 11. We got a 500. I'm not gonna look at the colorway. All right. Look like we have the Salt. Yeezy 500 Salts in a size 11. Everybody tells me this shoe is super comfortable. I don't have any personals. This is not my style, man, but everybody say it's pretty comfortable. 500s. All right. That's cool. That's cool. Yeezy still sell. I got another Yeezy box. I'm gonna hold off on it. See what this little peach looking box is. I've never seen this. We got a Nike Air Skyline 2. Like I say, Fear of God, FOG. I've seen these. Never had them. These are a Fear of God collab. I don't think they're a highly sought after one, but nonetheless, they're pretty clean. Just a basic little runner. Check out the toe box. Like a pretty simple shoe. The box is dope. I mean, the shoes are clean too, but that's a pretty premium box for such a basic looking shoe. I guess because they got Fear of God on them. All right. We got 3 pair left. This is an old Jordan box. We got an Air Jordan 6 Retro size 10. Varsity Reds. In great shape. No sole separation on them is the first thing I'm looking for. Very clean. No Nike Air on the back. These still have the Jumpman on the back. But these seem to be in pretty good shape. They do have some paint cracking, I see now. Have some paint cracking. But I mean, that's to be expected with such an old shoe. Still have the Jumpman logos on the insole. These are dope. Varsity Reds in a size 10. I'm gonna say this little Yeezy box. We'll knock out this Jordan box. I got one more Yeezy down here. We got another Jordan, Jordan 7. These are a size 10.5. Bordeaux. The good Bordeaux, not with all that glitter on them. Still got the Jumpman logo on the inside. Very clean. Very clean, very good condition. These can get rocked. These is dope. 10.5. 10.5, who need them? They still got the old receipt in there. Let me make sure. Still got the old Champs receipt. These are, to me, better than the later releases. Just because of that glitter thing. I'm not a big fan of glitter. I know some of y'all like glitter, but ain't no my business. Size 10.5 Yeezy 500. Utility blacks. Second pair I got of these this year in another box that I didn't post. So I just sold these actually. I just shipped these out this week in a size 9, I believe. But these are 10.5 utility blacks, arguably probably the best one of the 500 series out here. I don't know. Again, these right here, they actually feel like they'd be comfortable. Maybe I might try a pair on just to see. I mean, it's not like I have anywhere that I would want to wear these to, but I mean, everybody said they're comfortable. They want to try them. But that's gonna conclude the box, man. Hit me up for more pictures on Instagram or email me directly at TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. Or you can follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. Make sure you like, sub, and all that good stuff to the video. I appreciate you guys watching. New video will be up soon. I haven't forgot about some of the other videos I'm supposed to be doing. We working on it, man. That's all I'm gonna keep saying is we working on it. Trust me, I am busy and I am trying to get these vids out to y'all. So appreciate you guys rocking and sticking with me. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.